So today is Sunday. We're getting ready to prepare for the fifth Sunday family dinner. And I'm here on the Turner farm, the family farm, and we're just gonna walk around, take some pictures. This is the picture of the house. My mom and her siblings, as well as me and my brother, were raised here at this house in Birdie, Mississippi. This house, believe it or not, is over 100 years old and still standing. So let's go see what the turkey's doing. I hear them. So let's go see, can we find and see what they are doing. My dad has some goats too. So we basically call this Old MacDonald Farm. If the mosquitoes don't eat me up first. See what we got here. Ah, there's the turkey right there. There's the turkeys right there. And the goats. Bah! There's the goats right there. The baby goats. Oh, the turkey done stuck his tail out. I gotta get a good one. There you go. There the goats. Turkey. It's a good shot of the turkey. There you go, right there. Turkey, the roosters, and the hens. Let's see if he makes some. There you go. I know I get him. Let's see, can we see a couple of hogs? It's kind of muddy out here. It's been raining. It would stink out here too. See, can I call the pig? Oh, I ain't got it no more. I can't call him no more. I know it stink out here. The river's up kind of high. That's the hog pen. I saw one out here earlier. This right here is an old plow. The thing probably worth some money. It's an old plow my granddaddy used to use when he worked the farm. There's a picture of the billy goat. There you go. And that's one of the other one. It's my dad's shed. My mom's flowers. My uncle said he coming back, put us to work. I told him I can't work on a contract. That's a ooh, these bugs. That's a conflict of interest. If I work down here on the farm and I get hurt, then I can't work my regular job in Texas. Monk say he ain't trying to hear that. Some of this mud off my feet. It's my dad's shed. My mama fussing at my dad. Let's go check it. Check it out.
Got the corn that's already shipped.
See, they fussing at each other.
No.
Yeah, that's what they
Well,
do.
shucking corn. How come they get corn that's already shipped? All you gotta do is take it outside.
Sugar me up, Dale.
Oh, let me
Yeah. Come on, let's see. Come on. I like it.
Nasty.
I like it.
Nasty.
Bet you had it all year. When he come back, give him a pen to put the corn in.
What's in here for breakfast? I'm hungry.
Taking an egg, stuffing an egg.
Okay, this is in my video. I'm going to get me something to eat. Get this mud off my feet. Later. So now we're in the house. We got my niece and my brother. My brother be trying to hide out on the cool. About think about him. I'm finna go cook me some breakfast. What's up, aunts?
What's up?
Y'all eating breakfast?
You got under control with you?
Yep.